Zoe.
Oh, okay.
So is that the right way?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay. I guess that's how you do it.
See? You can get off.
You would go the other way?
Oh,
Uh-oh.
do you need a help?
You try the other way, maybe? That might work, too.
If you stand over here, baby. Yeah. And the touch is your belly. Yeah. Yeah, this is much easier, see? And then you want it to get out of the other one.